Hi, today we're going to have a look at how to use a Notion form to convert to PDF files. As you can see, this is form 1099A, which I have created over here. And once the user fills in all the details in this form and they click on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database over here. I've already added two entries out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these entries onto PDF files on automation mode. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. This will help me create PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Notion database is what contains all the information that we have over here, and a document is what will be converted to PDF file on automation with this setup. We can create reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that we're looking to create at scale using this exact automation tool. Click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will see every automation step that we need to take to generate the PDF files. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here, and then we will see how the rest of the steps will work. So the very first thing which we need to do after we sign in is we need to add the database for this particular window. So let's click on add Notion database, and I will simply copy the database title which I have on my Notion account, and we will add the same. So I've just copied the title. Let's go back to the selection screen, click on select pages, and put the title inside the search pages field over here. You should be able to see the particular form populate over here. Click on that, and the form is now added up. So whenever you're looking to add a form or a database, simply put it inside the search pages field and then add it. Do not add the database or the form by selecting the top level pages from the list over here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly. Along with side that, if your database is connected to other databases through relation properties, so let's say my form 1099A is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that all the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible in the PDF file created. Click on allow access, and we should be able to get access to form 1099A. It should be available in the drop down that will be loaded up over here. If it is not visible over here, simply click on reload database once or twice. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please have patience, but if you hit on reload, it should definitely be appearing over here. So let me retry it once again, and I should be able to see the particular form appear over here in the drop down. So you can see the form appearing over here as required, and if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the form visible over here, one below the other. Let's add a document to this. So if you already have any existing document on your drive which you would like to use, you can add the existing document and select the document from the list. I don't have any existing document available, so I will instead go with a demo document, which it will create with all the placeholders automatically added up over here. So you can see this has a document created with every placeholder automatically added, and all the fields inside double curly brackets are already a part of this particular document. So anything that you see inside double curly brackets are already fetched from the database over here, and then they will be converted to PDF files, fetching the values from the database right over here. So whatever you see inside double curly brackets over here will be replaced with the values from the database, and then they will be converted to PDF file. If you want to manually add any property onto the document, so let's say I want to add received by field, I can click on copy. I can go to the document wherever I want to add it, and I can simply use Control V or Command V on my keyboard. It will automatically paste the property onto the document. So likewise, you can map any field from the particular database onto the document wherever you wish to have it by using simply Control V or Command V. So this is the keyboard shortcut which will help you copy paste all the properties onto the document. Finally, we can define how the PDF file will be named. So I want to use this received by column over here to define the PDF files. So I will be choosing the received by field from the drop down, and all my PDF files will be named as per this particular entry. If you scroll to the right side, you should be able to see two additional columns. So let me refresh this page once, and you should be able to see two additional columns created over here by the name of uh, generate PDF and PDF file. Okay. So if any record is marked as ready to generate, the PDF file will be created for those specific records, and then they will be stored in the PDF file column over here. So make sure you set your records as ready to generate whichever you're looking to convert to PDF file right over here. And let's now download the PDF. It will save the PDF onto the downloads folder, as well as it will generate the PDF right inside the database on the PDF file section. So the first entry is already out, and you can see the first record has been created as well. If you click on this, it should show all the entries automatically mapped with the database values which we had put earlier. Okay. So every placeholder has been replaced with the values from the database as we had seen. Let's open up the second entry as well, and we should be able to see the same principle repeat over here, as all the entries have been fetched from the database and then they have been placed onto the document over here. So we just created two documents from the database using PDF output. But the best part of using the tool is whenever you're looking to automate this process with the entire setup already done, click on Setup Notion Automation, and now this will automate the process of generating PDFs. This means you do not need to use PDF output to set up everything from scratch, as now whenever user will click on submit and a new entry appears over here, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will automatically be created inside the database. This makes the process really easy and convenient, as all the automations happen directly inside the database and all the PDFs are created right over here, which makes it really simple and easy to use. So this eliminates the need to use PDF output to set up everything from scratch, as you do not need to do that, and all the automations will take place directly inside the database for a use case. So I hope this explanation was clear and helpful to you. If you still have any questions on this, use the chat bubble at the bottom of the page and send me a message with your queries on the same. I'll be able to address the same. You can even sign out and you can use the contact button at the bottom of the home page, where you can send me an email right away with your queries and I'll be able to address the same as well. You can even take a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation available. I hope the entire explanation was clear and helpful.